Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about some problems based on the mole concept. So now we discuss about what is the relation between mole, weight of the substance, and Avogadro number. What is the relation between mole, weight and Avogadro number? Let me take some examples. We can identify the relation of between mole, weight and Avogadro number. For example, CO2. What is the name of compound? Carbon dioxide. So here, in front of carbon dioxide, any number is there? There is no number. That's why we consider as one molecule of carbon dioxide. So it contains one mole of carbon dioxide. Next, second one. 1 mole of carbon dioxide containing how much weight of carbon dioxide we can calculate. We know that molecular weights of different compounds. So here carbon and oxygen is there. Carbon, oxygen. How many carbons is there? 1. Oxygen is 2. Next, atomic weight of carbon equal to 12. How many carbons is there? 1. That's why 12 into 1 equal to 12. Next, oxygen atomic weight how much? 16. But here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. That's why 2 into 16 equal to 32. Next, sum of atomic weights of all elements. We are calling molecular weight. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. So this is the 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Now, 1 mole of CO2 contains 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Next, 44 grams of carbon dioxide containing how many moles of Avogadro number particle? Now, here it contains, so here observe carbon 1 is there, oxygen 2 is there. That's why we should write (6.023 into 10 to the power 23) oxygen atoms. So here observe 44 grams of carbon dioxide containing carbon and oxygen. So carbon and oxygen. Oxygen contain how many oxygen particles? That means Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. So here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygen atoms. That's why 1 oxygen equal to this one value. 2 oxygens equal to 2 into 6. Next, here how many carbons is there? 1 carbon. It contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. So here check it. What is our question? What is the relation between mole, weight, Avogadro number? Here first one is there, mole. Yes, mole. Next second one, weight is there, weight. Next, relation, Avogadro number. Next, again, oxygen containing electrons, protons, neutrons, nucleons. So how many electrons is there in oxygen atom? We can find out. Oxygen atomic number how much? 8. So we know that previous class I explained what is atomic number. Atomic number equal to number of protons present in an atom. Number of protons equal to number of electrons. That's why oxygen atomic number is 8. That's why 8 into 1 electron containing how many Avogadro number? Particles, that means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. That means 1 electron containing how many Avogadro number particles? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. But oxygen containing how many electrons? 8 electrons. That's why 8 into Avogadro number 10 to the power 23 electrons. 1 electron equal to this value, 8 electrons equal to 8 into this one. But here how many oxygen atoms is there? 2 oxygen atoms. That's why we should write 2. 1 oxygen equal to 8 electrons. 2 oxygens equal to 8 electrons. 2 into 8 will come. Next, how many protons? Number of electrons equal to number of protons. Next, 1 proton equal to Avogadro number how much? 1 proton contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. That's why here how many protons is there? 8 protons. 1 oxygen equal to 8 protons. 8 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 protons. But here how many oxygens equal is there? 2 oxygens. 1 oxygen, this one. That's why 2 oxygens. 2 into 8. Next, neutrons. Oxygen containing 8 neutrons. That's a 1 neutron equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 neutrons. 8. So that's why 8 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. But here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. 1 oxygen equal to this one. 2 oxygens equal to 2 into 8 will come. This is neutrons. Next, nucleons. What is the meaning of nucleons? Number of protons and neutrons is called as nucleons. So here number of protons, number of neutrons is called as nucleons. Now check it. 1 nucleon containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 nucleons. But here how many is there? 2 oxygens. That's why 8 plus 8, 16. 2 plus 2, 4. Here careful observe na. Nucleons means sum of protons and neutrons. Sum of protons means 8 plus 8 equal to 16. Next, 1 oxygen equal to this one, 2 oxygens. 2 plus 2, 4. That is 4 into 16 into 6.023 10 to the power 23 nucleons. What is the meaning of nucleons? Sum of protons and neutrons. Next, first one over. Next, carbon coming to here. This one, carbon. But we know that one electron containing how many Avogadro number of particles? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. But carbon atomic number how much? 6. So number of protons equal to atomic number. That's why number of protons also equal to number of electrons. Atomic number equal to number of electrons. So here carbon atomic number 6. That's why it has 6 electrons. But we know that one electron containing how many Avogadro particles? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. One electron containing this value. But carbon containing electrons? 6 electrons. That's why 6. But how many carbon atoms is there? 1. That's why we should write 6 into this value. Next, protons. Number of electrons equal to number of protons. That's why you should write 1 proton containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 protons. 1 proton equal to this one. How many protons present in the carbon? 6 protons. That's why 6 into this one. Next, neutrons. Carbon containing 6 neutrons. 1 neutron equal to this value 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Carbon containing how many neutrons? 6. Okay. Next, another one, nucleons. What is the meaning of nucleons? Sum of protons and neutrons is called as nucleons. One nucleon containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 nucleons. Sum up means 6 plus 6, 12. 12 into 6. So this is the relation between mole, weight and Avogadro number. We know that what is the Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles is called as Avogadro number. So let me take another example. Example 2, NO2 molecule. So here we can identify the relation between mole and weight Avogadro number. So in front of NO2 molecule any number is there? There is no number. That's why we consider as one molecule. So NO2 molecule contains one NO2 molecule contains 1 mole of NO2. Next, 1 mole of NO2 contains how many grams? So we can calculate the molecular weight of NO2. Here are nitrogen, oxygen, 2 elements is there. How many nitrogens is there? 1. Oxygen 2 is there. Nitrogen atomic weight is 14. How many nitrogens is there? 1. 1 in 14 into 1, 14. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. But here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. 1 oxygen equal to 16. 2 oxygens equal to 16 into 2. 32. 46 grams. So 1 mole of NO2 containing how much weight? 46 grams of NO2. 6 grams of NO2 contains how many Avogadro number particles? We can identify here. NO2 containing 1 nitrogen, 2 oxygens. That's why it contains. It contains Avogadro number, we know that 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So here how many nitrogens is there? 1 nitrogen. That's why 6.023 10 to the power 23 nitrogen atoms. You should write 1 into 6. Same value will come. That's why you should write or not, no problem. Next, oxygen. One oxygen containing how many Avogadro number particles? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. One oxygen equal to this one. 10 to the power 23. Oxygen atoms. But here how many oxygen atoms is there? 2. One oxygen equal to this one. 2 oxygens equal to 2 into 6. Next. So here oxygen and nitrogen containing electrons, protons and neutrons. We can check it. First you have to take nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number how much? 7. So what is atomic number? Number of protons present in an atom is called as atomic number. Number of protons equal to number of electrons. Here atomic number equal to number of protons equal to number of electrons. So now nitrogen containing how many electrons? 7 electrons. But 1 electron containing how much Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. 1 electron containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. But here how many electrons is there? Nitrogen 7 electrons. That's why 7 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Next, number of electrons equal to number of protons. 1 proton containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. But nitrogen containing how many protons? 7 protons. Next, neutrons. 1 neutron containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Neutrons. But nitrogen containing how many neutrons? 7 neutrons. Next, nucleons. What is the meaning of nucleons? The sum of protons and neutrons. Sum of protons and neutrons. 7 plus 7, 14. One nucleon containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 nucleons. One nucleon equal to this one. But here how many nucleons is there? Sum of protons and neutrons. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 nucleons. Next, oxygen atoms. Here oxygen atomic number how much? 8. So here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. One oxygen containing how many electrons? 8 electrons. But we know that 1 electron containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. But oxygen containing how many? 8 electrons. That's why 1 electron this one. 8 electrons equal to this one. But how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. That's why in front of this one 2. one oxygen, two oxygens, 2 into 8. Next, number of electrons equal to number of protons. One proton containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 protons. But oxygen containing how many protons? 8 protons. That's why 8 into this value. One oxygen containing 8 protons. Two oxygens containing 2 into 8. Over. Next, neutrons. One neutron containing 6.023 10 to the power 23. One neutron equal to this one, but oxygen containing 8 neutrons. That's why 8 into this value. But here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. One oxygen equal to this one. 2 oxygens means 2 into 8. Next, nucleons. What is the meaning of nucleons? Sum of protons and neutrons. Now, one nucleon containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 nucleons. But one oxygen containing how many nucleons? 8 plus 8, 16. But here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. One oxygen containing sum of protons and neutrons. Sum of means 8 plus 8, 16 one oxygen. 2 oxygens means 16 into 2, 32 nucleons. Now observe, this one we should write into one oxygen 16 nucleons. 2 oxygens means 2 into 16. But here one oxygen equal to this one, 2 oxygens equal to this one. That's why we should write 16 into 2, 32. Okay. Total 32 into 6.023 10 to the power 23 nucleons. So this is what is the relation between mole, weight and Avogadro number. So remaining topic next class we discuss about. Thank you.